Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about, yes, a Bitcoin death cross. Is this something you need to be thinking about? Is it something you need to be worried about? Also, a reminder, folks, we just had a golden cross on Bitcoin as well. The difference here is one's on the daily and hourly time frames, and one is on the weekly. Which one is on which? Let's talk a little bit about it. Let's talk about what I think is coming up for crypto here in the short to midterm. Again, guys, we're bullish here on crypto at the Crypto Report. We believe in Bitcoin's better than gold. We believe in that crypto is the technology of the future. Web3 and gaming, it's coming, guys. There's no doubt about it. But what's the best way to make some money? Well, we like to argue that it's DCAing here on the channel, and I'm going to show you a little bit about why here as well, along with what to think here in the short term, if you do want to open up like a leverage trade or something like that. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. Biggest thing to note, folks, a little bit of a downward trend, at least on the market cap for overall on crypto. Kind of trying to hit and bounce off that $1 trillion threshold. So keep an eye on that $1 trillion mark here for overall market cap, folks, because that's really going to tell you the direction Bitcoin's going. And nope, it looks like officially, actually, we have touched it and broken through it gently here, at least in the last day. So keep an eye on that. And maybe on the low end, hopefully we'll see, $960 billion market cap as a low in the short term. But if we break down below that, obviously there could be a little bit more downside. Now, when you look at Bitcoin right now, we are below $22,000. The entire crypto market's down here, which is just, kind of a symptom of Bitcoin. A couple things to note. One, there has been, yes, a golden cross. This is extremely bullish. Over 75% of the time, you're going to get upward movement at least the year after a golden cross. We looked at the S&P 500 and golden crosses on that in the future. Right now, the S&P 500 is breaking out, so that is good for Bitcoin and crypto, which is great to see. But a golden cross is when this moving average here moved above this one, when basically we had the 50-day moving average break above the 200-day moving average, and boom, that just shows bullish movement. And you can even see down here, this is trying to come back up potentially, and then we can kind of see hopefully upward continuation. That's the golden cross. That would be fantastic to see. And this is on the daily. But if you do zoom out, and I got to give the counter opinion, and you look at the weekly, unfortunately, we did just have our first ever death cross on the weekly time frame, which is very, very interesting to see. As you can see, the 50-day moving average has moved below the 200-day moving average here on this one. So this is really interesting to see, guys. This could mean more downside for Bitcoin and crypto. I do still believe that the bottom is in, and we called it. But be on the lookout, guys, for some important key levels here. One at about 20,000 and change. Very important level at about 19,200 is an important level. And then kind of at the bottom half of this low that we actually already hit and bottomed out at earlier this year. Guys, if the S&P 500 continues to climb, I expect this to kind of falsify itself. I expect more upward continuation for crypto as long as the S&P 500 continues to pump. And then also on the bullish side of it, you do look back and you look at the daily. You can argue that, hey, I believe that the bull market cycles and this daily time frame and the golden cross here is going to outweigh this just recently printed weekly death cross on Bitcoin. But we'll have to see, guys. We'll have to see what happens. The best strategy you can do, folks, whether you're bullish or bearish, is just dollar cost average over time, because we know we're going to get back up to these highs, guys. We do know at some point the bull market will come back and we will get big gains to the upside. But if you do want to leverage trade and you do want to take advantage of maybe some falling Bitcoin price action right now, maybe you want to short it, you can open a leverage trade using BitCat. We have a link for you in the description down below. Maybe you think we're about to bounce and we're going to go back up. You can trade it that way as well. There's some free money for you guys in the link below. But remember, guys, the golden cross is there, so that could be bullish. A lot of people are excited about that. But the fact of the matter is that this is the first weekly death cross ever. So we've never seen this before in the history of Bitcoin. And so be careful, guys. Be very careful out there. Dollar cost average, because we know that in the bull market, when it really comes, guys, when the bull market's really here, there are generational wealth opportunities. Time to build a actual financial portfolio. Maybe you can retire. Maybe you can just get, a good down payment for a house. But there's a lot of money to come here. And I do believe, we do both believe, me and my partner Blacks here on the channel, that dollar cost averaging is going to be your best bet no matter what comes here with the price of Bitcoin and crypto over the next few weeks and months. We know a bull market's coming at some point here in the near future. Little update for you guys. Binance is having an issue with the stablecoin issuer Paxos, but CZ is squashing the FUD. They're their own independent company. All funds are SAFU, says Binance. The SEC ain't stopping at that, though. They are going to sue this crypto trust company, Paxos, over the Binance stablecoin. But CZ is shrugging it off. Guys, let's check it out. Let's see what happens this week. Just to note, Bitcoin's looking cheap. Fear and Greed Index is below 48 here, which is historically pretty low, especially as we should be at the bottom here of this crypto market, hopefully. So it might not be a bad time to dollar cost average. Markets are red, and so your eyes should be showing dollar signs, guys. It should be showing dollar signs. When you buy when there's blood in the streets is when you typically make the biggest gains. Guys, we are giving away a loaded line on the channel when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel. Follow us on Twitter for this giveaway. And also make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done so already. All you got to do to become a member on the channel for additional entries towards this giveaway is follow us here by join or in a link in the description down below. Folks, that's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.